Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Spzv Natural Performance Drops. Now, these are best for optimizing the breathing experience and focus on vitality, is what they claim. They claim to sharpen focus and clarity, vegan friendly, enhance oxygen uptake, and reduces stress. However, I cannot seem to find a single review on this one, which is very alarming, even on Amazon and on Walmart. Here there are no reviews, so before you buy this, please do take note that nobody has bought this product yet, or they've been deleting the bad reviews on it. So based on the seller reviews or the reviews itself, it raises a huge red flag for not having any reviews on even on Amazon and Walmart. So I advise you to not buy this product since it is not very famous, or they do delete natural or negative comments from their website. And yeah, that is basically it. So please do not buy this product since it's very shady. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.